Today we're cooking up a colorful plate of rice with chicken and plantain. Trust me, this one is a showstopper. So I kick things off with a rich chicken stock, sieved to keep it silky smooth, and then added in some scotch bonnet peppers for that bit of heat. While the pot was bubbling away, I washed my rice off camera, of course, with some hot water and a touch of salt, and they all went in simmering to perfection. Guys, you don't want your rice to overcook, make it cook to 85 to 90%. At this point, I was checking on the rice and then I realized it was still tough, not as tender as I would want it to be. So yes, I had ready some hot water by the side, which I just added to the perfect quantity that will be required, right? You don't want it to be overcooked, otherwise it will be soggy. So yes, and you don't want to add cold water at this point, so you should be ready and handy with hot water available. While that is happening, I heat up some pan with some vegetable oils to start preparing my veggies. I add in some onions and then some peas. Of course, peas is like the toughest for all the combinations of my veggies for today's creation, right? Some people prefer to put in their peas to cook alongside the rice, depending on how fresh your peas are. Some people use dried peas or frozen, so depending on how fresh they are, put it whatever works for you, whenever it works for you, right? So this was me adding in some carrots, and then of course the vibrant color combination of some bell peppers, red, yellow, and green bell peppers. Now mixing them together to be well combined and to fry together, and then adding in some seasoning, seasoning cubes, some spices, and some salt to taste. At this point, one has to be very, very careful because you do not want to over season your food, being that the rice that was cooking already had some seasoning in that chicken stock, right? Yeah, I went back to check on the rice and it was okay. You only needed it to dry up a little bit more. Yes, guys. So yes, rice is done. Next thing to do was to make sure you combine the both together. Do it whatever works for you. Some people would pick in the rice, and fry it in the frying pan, or you just mix up the veggies into the rice, especially if the quantity of the rice is much and your frying pan is little compared to the quantity of rice, right? So don't make a mistake of following step by step everything that people are doing. Yes, in my veggies I added in some onions and some sweet corn. Yeah, guys, they are so tender, they are so soft, so I put them last. Just fry it, combine for about a minute, and then yes, we're done with stir frying your vegetables, guys. I'd like to know how you prepare your own. Do you rather prefer frying them in the pan, or you like combining them inside the rice? Whatever works for you, by all means do it. Yes, this was us turning the vegetables into the rice, guys. The aroma was so unreal at this point. Goodness. Start bringing in your plates, guys. Start bringing in your plates. So I kept mixing them and mixing them for that perfect combination, to ensure that all the ingredients are well combined, as well as a good distribution of these spices that we're adding, right? So yes, rice is ready, my people. Guys, do you see what I'm seeing? Bring in your plates already. Make sure you are on cue. All right, guys, so this was it. I just you have to keep mixing so that it fries properly, and of course you have a perfect mixing, guys. So I put in my fried chicken, which I did off camera, of course. Then, covered it to just sit for a while before dishing out the rice, guys. This thing was so inviting. It was so inviting, my people. My sister was in the kitchen. She was like, Auntie me, I cannot wait for the plantains, guys. She said she couldn't wait, but of course we did what we had to do. We did what we had to do, man, and what we know how to do best, guys. Okay, so food is already set. I was just disconnecting the burner so our rice doesn't burn, of course. you know since it's an electric cooker, there could still be some heat underneath that can cause some not so pleasant outcomes. So I disconnected it, and then this was the chicken, putting in, and everything was just sitting pretty. Guys, I covered them to heat up together, and whoa la la, we are dishing out the rice, baby. See the steaming goodness, my people. Oh my goodness. So colorful, so vibrant, so tasty, or aromatic. Guys, the aroma here is, oh my goodness, so unreal. But anyways, yeah, everything went well and everything is well served. This was me frying out some plantains. Plantains are good to go with a rice prepared with goodness like this. I made the plantain, and yes, everyone enjoyed every bit of their meal. It was so awesome. Thank God, family is always together. Family enjoyed the meal together. And this brings us to the end. My people, don't just watch this video, okay? Watch the video in this fashion. And how you like it. Is it with salad, with plantains, moi moi, or just plain rice? Guys, as always, I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye. Take care of yourselves. Mwah.